Hey, what's going on? I'm on a true cooler right now. Like a reach-in cooler, keep stuff, pretty cool, like 35, 40 degrees. And they had a loud fan motor. So right now I'm wiring in a new fan motor. This is the new fan motor right now, right here. And I'm gonna go back in with the same blade, clean the blade up. Blade is good, it's not busted. It's not rusted. It's in good condition. But the motor was making a lot of noise, so I'm gonna replace that. And then I put in a temperature controller because it wasn't working. It wouldn't cut off when it got to the temp desired. It would just keep on cooling and cooling until the stuff inside was freezing. So that's the indoor fan motor. That's working good. This is the temp controller I put in. About to get ready to fire it up in a minute and see how she's working. But yeah, that's it for right now. Just getting it in, trying to get it. Yeah, that's it. All right then, fellas. Well, y'all have a good one.